We take a lot of pride in engaging our fans in unique and different ways.
The pandemic was a transformational moment for the NFL. We're a very high-touch, in-person culture, and we had to shift pretty much overnight to a virtual culture. Teams kept us feeling like we were still connected, well prepared to deliver a season.
Mapping out the futures and opportunities is kind of the core responsibility that we take to heart every day. Having the right tools in place afforded us that quick change so that we can put on the draft successfully and efficiently.
And this year we did that all through Teams as the primary place where those selections were made.
Proud to say that we played all 256 regular season games this year on time, but we had to look at ways to engage the fans. Fan Mosaic is a pretty unique experience that we developed where a group of fans can actually interact with each other while they're at home and also simultaneously watch a live game. It was a huge success.
Teamwork is important to the NFL mission because I think it's at the root and spirit of the game. We're one team, and that's what Microsoft Teams allows us to do, whether it's our fans, our players, our own IT staff, and everybody else who works for the NFL. We are all working together